If you're wondering when is the right time to get started with blockchain, here on the screen you can see the average salary for a blockchain engineer. There are several high paying jobs and opportunities in the field of blockchain. Here are some pointers to get started in the space of blockchain. But always remember, get your fundamentals right. There is a lot of open source material available on various topics, but I would always suggest to get started by watching videos as they can be quite simple and you can grasp the concept really quickly. Remember that most of the emerging technologies can be learned fairly quickly by peer learning, so ensure that you join a community nearest to you and take the best advantage of it. So, what are you waiting for? Do check out my website for some interesting and insightful videos, and please feel free to leave any feedback. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.